Okay, so today we're going to talk about AWS Inspector for ECR and Lambda. There is already a separate tutorial on Inspector for EC2, so if you're interested in EC2, go and watch that. Let's cover ECR first. So Elastic Container Registry is used for ECS, for EKS, and also for Lambda. If it is used for Lambda, this is the code path you'll be using. We'll talk about the Lambda zip file scanning in a moment. So Inspector offers continuous scanning. You may be familiar with ECR and the fact that it does provide code scanning on push. Inspector does both code scanning on push and continuous scanning. So if a security vulnerability is found in a library that you're using, but the vulnerability is only found after the image has already been pushed, Inspector will notify you, but the standard ECR scanning will not. It's an important difference to know. Just like Inspector in EC2, you can output to the Inspector dashboard, also to Security Hub, and findings are also available via Amazon Event Bridge. Zip file scanning for Lambda actually gives you more in-depth scanning than any of the other types of AWS Inspector scanning, because as well as doing the standard software bill of materials scanning, it also provides static analysis. That static analysis can look for injection flaws, for weak and missing crypto, data leaks, vulnerabilities like that. And it supports a number of languages. There's a list available both on this slide and obviously on the Inspector website. Amazon update these things frequently, so I'd always advise checking there. Until next time, thanks a lot.